I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cowerman, the Stock Whisperer here. Today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for Thursday, July 29th. All right, let's start with the SPY. No big levels yesterday in the dark pool, but we have plenty to work off of that have been coming in over the past couple of weeks. So yeah, we are going to be bullish only above 440 and 50 cents. We're really just kind of sitting right on that 4 EMA on the daily chart. We'll see if we can stay up there. You can see, you know what, let me just zoom in here, right? 2 days in a row, we tagged the 8 EMA right there. See that? Yep, it's a brick wall of support. The trend is still bullish until we close below it, right? So let's see what today's going to bring. Are we going to push it up, or are we going to come down to that 15 EMA? And that's why I put that as my last target. If we do head down and break below it, I want you to know what the next major moving average of support is, and there is a dark pool level there, a big one. All right, a 10.5 million. So key level. Let's head on over to the Russell, see what's going on in that neck of the woods. All right, the Russell trying to climb out of this downward trend. Lots of moving averages above it though, so bullish above 224, bear below 221.75. That's a retracement trade down to this peanut butter and jelly, right? This 200 exponential, 200 simple moving average on my 5-minute chart right here. That's why I call this PB. That's peanut butter right here, and jelly is right here, the red. So anytime you see PBJ, that is what I'm talking about. Also retracement to the 8 EMA as well. All right, let's head on over to the QQQs. All right, the QQQs bullish above 367 and bearish below 364.50. Also kind of just sitting right on that 4 EMA. Which way is it going to go, right? Not sure if this was a hanging man candle, right? This big red guy right here. We did have a high volume doji yesterday. So how we play this is, we're bullish if we close above 367.45, the high of that candle, and bearish if we close below 363.24. All right, so that's what I'm watching in the bigger picture there. Let's head on over to the futures. All right, bullish above 44.0250, bear below 43.92 for those E-minis. We'll head on over to the NASDAQ futures. And we'll be bullish above 15,050 and bear below 14,945. All right, let's go to the oil pit. Yeah, it's been kind of all over the place, oil. What's oil doing? Yeah, let's check this out. We did hit some resistance this morning on this Camarilla, pull back, and you can see high volume spikes pretty much right in this area. There's a lot of volume, so I use that. Bullish above 73.12. If we can climb above R1, person's pivots. Bear below 72.40. If we do go below this Camarilla, solid red line right there, yep, then there's a bearish trade. Let's head on over to gold, powering up. Yeah, gold. Is it time for gold? Oh, if I can post it up here. Time for gold to shine. Looks like it, folks. Yeah, it's Thursday, though. You know what they do? They like to fake us out on that Thursday candle. Yeah, but look at this. We are pushing up on the weekly chart. When we did that breakout, just kind of go to that. Yeah, we did the breakout. Here was this long-term trend line. We broke out the T-spot, the trend change. And this is a very popular pattern. They bring it up, then they retest that trend line before moving up again, possibly. All right, I'll be talking a lot about this today, so stay tuned for that. But for the day trade, bullish above 1832.50. Yeah, I really want to break above this early morning resistance, I want to call it. And bear below 1821 for a retracement trade. All right, let's go to Bitcoin futures. BTC, here we go. I'm trying to hug on to this person's pivot right here. In the red, they were slightly green earlier. We had some selling that happened right over here. So today, bullish above 40,752. That's why I used that level right there above that Camarilla. Bear below 39,200 for Bitcoin. All right, let's go swing over to individual stocks. Earnings have been coming out. Those are always our best plays. So I have quite a few of that on the Whisper today. But here, let's check out Uber. Uber trying to hang on to this yellow line. That's my VWAP. Yeah, volume weighted average price, or most of the volume has appeared. Yeah, and you can see last time we hit it, it bounced. Yeah, computers are loaded to programs, really, to buy there. At least the first time. Do they still want to buy more there? Yeah, that's the big question today. So we're going to be bullish above 44.50. That's more of a retracement trade. These are only for day trading, okay? These are not swing trades unless I put swing down. Bear below 43.50. Yeah, if it does not hold, this could get very ugly, and it just so happens that we've had lots of dark pool activity. The biggest one, 46.25 recently, 1.5 million, and we are below that right now. All right, Didi. Didi had lots of dark pool activity. I've been posting about that on the app. We had that 4 million trade at 7.55, and it looks like it had quite a morning this morning. Holy cow. Yeah, I had a big pop and drop though. Yeah, so where we go from here? Well, bullish above 1080 and bear below 975 for a retracement trade. DD's a little wild, so be careful if you trade that one. FCX was a perfect swing setup last night. Yep, a lot of us took this in the Java Pit trading room. Close strong above the dark pool prints, 34.77. Look at these big prints that we had recently. These are mega prints. The 4 EMA crossed over the 8 EMA on the daily chart. That's bullish trend reversal. Today, if you're not in it, bullish above 37.50 and bear below 36.75. We are coming up to some moving averages here. That 50 simple moving average, right, would be my last target. Now, if we do break above this 38, lots of room to go. So that is the key, in the big picture. But, the prints always come first. Let's go to Facebook. Did not like their earnings. Yeah, so we don't analyze the earnings. We just analyze the price action. So today, bullish above 362.50 and bear below 358.75. We did have a recent dark pool print, 349.88, and so that's in the middle of my bull above, bear below levels right there. Let's go to Ford. Had earnings as well. And yeah, they're liking their earnings and lots of room to go up. This is a slow one, bullish above 14.50. We just went above that. And bear below 14.23 for a retracement trade. PayPal also had earnings. They are not happy about it. We're going to be bullish above 290 for a retracement. All right, back up to resistance. And we're going to be bearish below 285, and we just went below that level. So the bear trade is on. I can see it tagging this 50 simple moving average. That's a big one where computers, should be loaded to buy. Sometimes they hammer it though, right? They can do a shakeout candle. I taught all about that yesterday in the training pit. So if you missed that presentation, go ahead and in a room drive, all about Wyckoff and volume spread analysis. So definitely don't want to miss that one. All right, let's go to GDX. Yeah, it's a great swing setup last night as well. Bullish above 35.06 if you're not in it yet, or bear below 34.25 for a retracement trade. Qualcomm. Bullish above 147.50 and bear below 145 for Qualcomm. Had earnings, and it looks like they're pretty happy right now, but we'll see how it closes. Is it going to be a pop and go higher, or is it going to be a pop and drop? Also, to watch the trend trade. Remind you of that on these gappers. This green dashed line is my 15 exponential moving average. After the first 15 minutes, if the stock stays above that, there is a higher probability that it will continue higher. If it doesn't, there's a higher probability that it will go lower. So it's really a magic moving average for those gapping earnings trades. All right, let's go to Apple because that's had a lot of dark pool activity. I like to keep it on here. You know, are they selling? Well, we have some dark pool prints above us, guys. These are pretty big. This 8 million print, 147.50, 148.20. The only one below us is this one, this 7 million, recent prints, 144.65. So that's why I'm bullish below that, 144.50, and bullish above 146.25. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Thursday. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.